Hi, it's Craig with Follett, and today we're working on a Follett 7 and 15 series ice water dispenser. The tools we'll be using for this is going to be a set of gloves, safety goggles, a John Guest wrench, pliers, needle nose pliers, Phillips head screwdriver, and a 3/16 inch nut driver. I'm going to be removing the fill drain tube from the water reservoir, which also connects over to the evaporator. And I'm also going to remove the water lines so that I can gain access into the reservoir and the evaporator. We're going to remove these spade connectors. Okay, with my 3/16 inch nut driver, I'm going to back out this hold down bolt. Now that we've removed the retaining bolt from the reservoir, I can start to disassemble the insulation, and then the reservoir itself will come completely out. It's worth mentioning that a common leak point is the interface between the reservoir lid and the reservoir itself. So in removing the lid, you'll notice that there's an O-ring gasket seal that needs to be petrogelled prior to putting that in place. Also, if you take note, the two probes extend down and straddle over the float, and so you want to make sure that they're straddling the float so that they don't interfere. Next, we want to reinstall the reservoir into place. And I'm tightening down the reservoir hold down bolt. You want to slide on the reservoir insulation cover piece before we make any of the plumbing connections or the electrical connections. Then make your electrical connections to the reservoir lid probes. Be sure the orange lead is in the center. Next, we'll reinstall the vent tube connection. There's 3 points. The reservoir top is vented. The bushing housing side vents to the T on the left hand side, and then the main housing vents and the T's tie it all together. The top vent of this T will feed back into the ice storage bin for overflow water.